What's up, guys? It's Enrique. Today I'm making this update video for you guys to tell you like what we're doing and what videos we're gonna make. We've been kind of busy because we've been in that Christmas spirit. As you can see, I'm here putting the lights up in our house. Yes, I know the dogs are going crazy, but don't mind them. Mind my pajamas. As you can see, I'm here putting up the lights. With my pajamas, it was a little cold outside, so, don't mind me. It took a little long to do because, the staples. But, it's whatever. Here's the final product. The lights are all nice. The patio's looking great. The doors are looking swell. Oh, yeah. Look at the inside. My mom with the decorations. Oh, man. Look at the Christmas tree. Nice and decorated, a nice star with a bow. My dad's idea. Before the update, we need to talk about the most exciting football game that I have ever been to. Yeah, these are the Harupa Valley Steelers. They are the Super Bowl champions. My cousin 69 over there in the front. Yeah. Flip it over, put him in the back. Oh yeah, look at them. Yeah. We were here in the stands, screaming out loud, screaming from the top of our lungs, with some exciting, jaw-dropping action. But yeah, this was an exciting game. 15-14, amazing teams. Glad that we won. Moses over there with his coach with the award, my dad. Oh yeah, it was an amazing night. Congratulations, Moses and his team. But now let's get into the channel, shall we? For the truck, we gotta fix the injectors. We've been having a little injector problem, to make it start, so we gotta replace those. They look like that right there on your screen, the fingers pointing at it. And then we gotta work on the Ford. Our engine light popped up out of nowhere while we were driving. You can see right there, almost 200,000 miles. Our car's gonna die anytime soon. We had a problem with the airflow system. Now we're on to the GTI. The passenger wheel bearing had a few problems. Make a video out of that. Might even make a video of the wheel alignment or the diagnostics report. And that wheel right there is where we gotta fix the bearing. Thank you guys, like, subscribe. Hope you had a great day, and see you soon.